To what extent is creating a research project outcome like preparing a meal? Okay, so this is you. You have done some research, you've gone to the shops and you've got a whole heap of information or ingredients ready to make your outcome. This we called your folio. It consisted of some development and some planning. You had a shopping list, like a proposal. Now it is time to cook. This is you again, with your wonderful folio. It might not be as full as your average folio. You might not have enough ingredients. But nevertheless, this is your folio. This is what you have to work with. You have a plan. You need to make your outcome out of this. You have some key findings or some answers. And you also would like to put it into an outcome, which is the meal. You get your ingredients from the shop, from your folio, and you put it into your coming up with key findings. You also put it in as evidence into your outcome. What if you don't have enough? What do you do? Yes, it might be time to go back to the shops to get some more ingredients. You need to do some more research. This is your outcome. Your outcome is like a meal. Time to get cooking.